So maybe you're like me because you're doing this intention setting 21-day challenge. And maybe you're like me in terms of you're wanting to stay hopeful and focused and have a place where you can focus on. And the place isn't outside, like you get to focus with me because you're watching these videos, but you're learning actually how to focus on the inside. And sometimes you need to remind yourself, or I need to remind myself, that I have an operating system, like a way that I operate best. And that this 21 days is to internalize, like it's this thought of like when you have a kid, right? The reason why you teach kids routines and things like that is because you want to teach them an internal locus of control that no matter what's going on, whether you're there or not, they're going to do that routine, right? They're going to take care of themselves a certain way. So, in a way, the 21-day intention is a locus of control setting to remind yourself that internally you can stick with your own plans. You have that internal focus to be able to do that. So, the 21 days, the every day doing the same thing is developing the internal locus of control. So, that's why you're like me right now, is that we're just reminding ourselves that we can just add to the locus of control and to stay really focused on doing the things no matter what's going on around us and who's there. Good luck with staying focused on your intention.